Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a look with my new Colourpop Chasing Rainbows palette and the Gliterally Obsessed glitter. I think this one is in Starfire. So I'll be using both of these today, and yeah, keep on watching. Here it is. Oh my god, I am opening for first time. So prime my eyes with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I'm first going to start with Woke, which is this like really nice light pink salmonish. And then here I'm blending Keep Cool on the second half of my eye. Totally forgot to say this. So I'm going to keep on adding, packing on the colors. So I'll keep on going in with Keep Cool, and then I'll keep blending it out with Wish List here. Okay, so it's a little more orangey. I think this one's more salmon than this pink here. This one's like a fresh salmon. Nah, girl, don't listen to me. I don't know what I'm saying. We are going to cut my crease real quick. Taking this shade right here. What are you called? Not playing. I ain't playing. I'm gonna take this shade right here, and I'm gonna place that on my crease. Okay, so I'm going to take this shade here in Lucid. And I'm gonna mix it up a little bit with Keeping Cool and also with Realness right here in the corner. More with the flat brush, and kind of just try to make an eyeliner here. In just a second, but we're gonna use, we're all doing our makeup together, the glitter primer from Essence. This is like $5 at Ulta. So I'm gonna place that on my crease, and then we're gonna go ahead with the Gliterally Obsessed Starfire. Okay, so now I'm going to take that shade in Woke again, and I'm going to blend that down here. Use this shade here. And I know this is crazy, but I'm going to go ahead and take that shade and bring it, and I'm going to put that on my lower lash line. I know, we had such a good purple thing going. But I think it's... Now I'm taking So Meta. Yeah, that yellow shade here. I'm using that as my inner corner. Okay guys, here's my finished look. I am totally obsessed with this palette. I think that Colourpop has definitely stepped up their game. The last time I bought a palette from Colourpop, I believe it was the I Think I Love You palette, and that was a long time ago. And they've been coming out with so many palettes, so it's nice to try their stuff again, and I'm really glad that I did because I'm loving it. Pigment is great, super blendable. Also, their glitter. They're Gliterally Obsessed. Really awesome. I really like how the glitter came out. That it's more separated. The glitter's a little more separated. It just adds like a nice little light shimmer to the eyes. That was it. Thanks so much for joining me again. I hope you guys like, subscribe, and comment, and I will see you on my next video.